Hey, what is up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to tell you how to add admin on Facebook page. Now, here's how we are going to get this done. First things first, I'm going to go ahead and tap these three lines here, and I'm just going to go ahead and make sure that this is actually the page that I want to add an admin to. So once you are sure of that, just go ahead and tap that gear icon, and we're going to go ahead and basically click the page settings here at the top. Now, after doing so, I want you to go ahead and scroll down, and we're going to look for page access. Now, this is very important. I want you to go ahead and tap that one. Now, we have two options here. We have people with Facebook access and people with task access. So if you want to add an admin, you can just go ahead and choose people with task access. So go ahead and click add new and click next. After doing so, you're going to go ahead and search them through their email or through their name. So I'm just going to go ahead and look for one of my Facebook, this one here. I'm going to click this one, and from this point forward, you're going to go ahead and check or toggle on what kind of access they have. So say for example, for the insights, you can toggle this on. For the ads, content, community activity, we have message and calls, and so on and so forth. Now, if you want to have someone to have full page access, then you are going to go ahead and choose the other one, which is this one here, people with page access. So just go ahead and click add new, and still the same process. You're going to go ahead and search here again, Dean Potter. Alright, just like so. Now give access, and then you're going to go ahead and confirm by giving your profile password. But basically, those are two options that you have. Now go ahead and choose how you want the admin to manage your page. So congratulations everybody, that is how you're going to add admin on Facebook page.